Welcome to Pasifika Maths. In today's lesson, we are going to look at highest common factors. What is a common factor, you might say? Well, it is a factor that is shared by two or more numbers. What is the highest common factor? It is the largest number that tends to occur in the list of common factors. Sometimes you might also hear the word greatest common factor. Let's look at an example. It will make more sense. Let's look at the common factors of 12 and 28. So the first thing you need to do is write down the factors in pairs. So, what are the factors of 12? Remember, factors are numbers that when multiplied will give you 12. So the factors of 12 are, in pairs, 1 and 12. Because 1 times 12 is 12. 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Remember, do them in pairs. Now what about factors of 28? 1 and 28, 2, 14, 4 and 7. Now the next step is to find the common factors. So the common factors of 12 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. As you can see, they occur in both the lists. Now the last step is to find the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is the largest number that tends to occur. So in this case, the highest common factor of 12 and 28 is 4. Let's look at one more example. List the common factors of 24 and 36. Remember, the first thing we need to do is write down the factors in pairs. So factors of 24, 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6. The next thing I'm going to do is write the factors of 36. 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, and 6 are the factors of 36. The next step is finding the common factors of 24 and 36. So common factors being things that are the same in both the lists. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are common in both the lists of 24 and 36. And the last step is to find the highest common factor. Therefore, the highest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. Now that we know what highest common factors are, let's do a quick little recap. What is a common factor? It's a factor that is shared by two or more numbers. Therefore, what is the highest common factor? It is the largest number that occurs in both the list of common factors. Sometimes you might also hear the word greatest common factor. The first thing you need to do is write down the factors in pairs, as we see over here. And then you find the common factors. So what tends to occur in both the list? We jot that down there. And then we find the highest common factor. In this case, we can see it quite clearly that it is going to be 4. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We hope to see you in the next one.